First step, let's create a project. Okay, let's kick things off. Let's create an API with Typescript and Fastify. Let's start with just a health check endpoint and go from there. Excellent. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got. So we've got our new TypeScript app. We have an index file with our health check status /health. Let's try and just run this server, see if it works. Can you run the server? Okay, so we can take the URL of our VM from here and we can try this out. And we had an endpoint at health, which is running. So that's great. So we've got a fully running API now, albeit with a health check. And then also we can check out our repositories. You can see in GitHub here, it's committed everything that it's built so far. And it's additionally written a nice README as it's gone along. Let's carry on and see if we can make this a little bit more useful. Stop this server and say, let's add Prisma. Okay, let's just take a look at what we've achieved here. So we've got our Prisma directory. We've got a schema with a user model in it. Let's say, can you map table names to snake case in the schema? We're using Postgres and create a migration for the user model. Okay, nice. So we've got this table mapping correctly here, and we've got a migration, and we can look now at our schema because Postgres is running on the VM and we have successfully created a user table, which is great. So looking at our main index file here, we have a post and a get for a user endpoint. It's not quite what we want. So let's say, please remove the user endpoints from index ts and create a user controller file with all CRUD endpoints for users. Great, so that's looking cleaner. We have a nice user controller. Everything is a little tidier. Let's see if we can start using this. Let's say, let's add automatically generated Swagger docs. Okay, now we have our documentation set up. Let's just try out the Swagger docs. Let's see if we can create a user. Excellent. And we've created that user ID of 1. Let's just see if we can get that user back, which we can. So in summary, we can go back to our repo here. We've created an API, we've added Prisma, we've got Postgres running, we've got interactive Swagger docs. It's a great start for continuing to build your whole API project out.